Morning, Ethan. I'm probably going to bust this video up into two parts because I overslept this morning and it is already almost 7. Oh, it's 7 o'clock right now. And I'm going to have a kid coming in 10 minutes to get help with to go over their last test. So let's get what I can now and I'll get the rest done during planning period. So, all right. Section 3.3, we're going to break it up into two parts. So this is section 3.3 part A. We're going to prove some theorems about parallel lines. So remember, here was our postulate. So if two lines are cut by transversal, oh, wait, no, hang on. I was thinking it was just reviewing over the postulate. This is a new postulate. So if two lines are cut by transversal and corresponding angles are congruent, then those lines are parallel. Okay, so what we did before was we said if two lines are cut by a transverse, if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the corresponding angles are congruent. So this is going the other way. This is, instead of you proving things about the angles, it's that you know things about the angles and you're going to use that to prove that the lines are parallel. So again, postulates don't have to prove, we just accept them because they're acceptable, I guess is the right word. So if you have your two lines here, K and L, so they're cut by transversal T, if we knew that any two corresponding angles were congruent, so let's say we knew that angle 6 were congruent to angle 8, then that would imply that K is parallel to L. Now, it also works the other way. If K is parallel to L, then we could go that direction and say we know that angle 6 is congruent to angle 8. But it's one of those, it's going to be a biconditional because it works in both directions. The converse and the regular statement are both true. Okay, but we've got to prove all the rest of them. So here's our theorem. If two lines are cut by a transversal, okay, so here's K and L getting cut by a transversal, and alternate interior angles are congruent. So basically, we're just going to pick a pair of alternate interiors. So I picked, whenever I made these notes out, angle 1 and angle 8. Then we're going to try to prove that angle K is parallel to that line K is parallel to line L. So we've got our given, we've marked it up on our diagram. So what I was telling you yesterday, don't ever do a proof without, hang on a second, I gotta pause it.